My dear good people of Rivers State, I, Senator Lee Maeba, Chairman of the Atiku Okowa Presidential Campaign Council in Rivers State, on behalf of the Director of the Presidential Campaign Council and all other members of the Presidential Campaign Council, bring you happy tidings. In the course of the past few months, all presidential candidates have campaigned around the country. And at the end of the campaign, we have listened to what each candidate have to offer Rivers State. But one candidate comes clean. Alhaji Atiku Abubakar of the People Democratic Party have promised the following. The total reactivation of facilities at the Port Harcourt Port Complex to boost employment, the total upgrade of facilities at the One Port Complex to make its operation maximum, the upgrade of facilities at the Ayorokoto fishing port, which is the only fishing port in Nigeria, in Andoni local government area of Rivers State, the upgradement of facilities at the Port Harcourt International Airport to make it a fully operated regional airport, the total overhaul of the presidential amnesty program to become a vehicle for the empowerment and training of our youth in different fields, the total assurances that Rivers State will benefit heavily from the $10 billion entrepreneurship program of the Atiku presidency. The completion of the East-West Road has become a top priority in the Atiku program. All this are what we have not had from any other presidential candidate. So Atiku Abubakar stands first and is committed to unleash Rivers State as an economic hub in the country. So on the 25th of February 2023, Saturday, our choice as Rivers people is clear. Come out and vote for the People Democratic Party. You will see the umbrella and thumbprint by the umbrella. And you have completed your assignment to a total emancipation of Rivers State as the economic hub of the nation. May God bless Rivers State. May God bless Nigeria. And may God bless the People Democratic Party. Thank you very much, and may God bless you.